Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video, and this video is gonna be super fun, yes! But still on the makeup path, you know. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna go for a summery glowy dewy look, but it doesn't look like we have makeup on, because we're going to be trying these makeup hacks, these makeup techniques. We're going to be trying them out to achieve that look. Yes, so we're going to be needing eyelash curlers, lip liners. Yes, we're not going to be using lipsticks. We're going to be using lip liners, mascara, spoolie, bronzer, Vaseline, lip balm, my foundation, L'Oreal, brushes, and my Morphe palette, because one color there I'm going to be using that as a highlight. So, but before we get into the video, I want you guys to subscribe and click that notification bell, because so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'm going to give you 5 seconds to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing and welcome to the exploration station. Here is your ticket. Anywho, let's get into the makeup session. Okay, so let's start with the foundation. We're going to be using only a little. Okay, now that we're done with our foundation, let's go for the bronzer. After the bronzer, we go for the highlight. So I'm going to be using Gino for my highlight, this one. I can use my finger for that. Ahoy! After the highlight, we brush the brows. Just keeping it natural here. After the brows, we go with the mascara. So for the eyelashes, a makeup hack I found on TikTok is actually using Vaseline and just a pair of eyelash curlers. It's so simple. For those of you who doesn't want to use mascara, Vaseline is the go-to product for this. So what we do is we get just that much and just put it on your eyelashes, like so. Just put that on there. Just make sure that all the strands are covered with the Vaseline. And then just get your eyelash curler. I'm gonna try to use this first. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna use the other one. Just curl it for a good 5 seconds. See what I mean, guys? Other side. You know, I'm gonna try to use the other eyelash curler. There's no mascara in that, guys. Just Vaseline. That's a hack. Shout out to the girl I saw on TikTok. Thank you for this. And then if you guys want to like oomph it up, you can use a mascara. It's okay to use mascara and at this point because your eyelashes are covered or protected with Vaseline, so there's no harm on that. Let's try that. This is it. Yes, yeah, looks like you guys have those natural lashes. Yes, yeah, so seriously, you guys should try it out. It's just a bottle of Vaseline Petroleum jelly and your eyelash curler if you guys want to have those nice lashes, you know. Yes, so the next hack I want to show you is for the lips. So what she did was another one I saw on TikTok also. She put lip balm, just a clear lip balm on her lips, and just put that there. And then she used any nude colored lip liner. So I'm gonna try, maybe I should go with the Kylie Lip Posy K liner. Let's go with that. Okay, that is the look, guys. That is your glowy, dewy summer look using makeup techniques to achieve this look. Yeah. There. It's so simple. Very nice. Just like, also you can do this as an everyday makeup, but then really, guys, I suggest the Vaseline and the eyelash curler, the balm, and the lip liners plus your lip balm. It'll give you a nice protected lip with color. So yes, that is the look, guys. If you guys want to see more of this type of hacks, this type of makeup tutorials, give this video a nice thumbs up. Comment down below whatever you guys want to comment down. Also comment down what you guys would like to see next, makeup challenges, whatever. Just jot them down at the comments section. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and follow me on Instagram because why not? And guys, I am so active on YouTube Shorts. You guys should go check it out. Check out my YouTube Shorts. That's where I put all my dance videos, my dance freestyles. It's under the title Late Night Dancing #shorts. Yes, guys should check that out because I post every day. On that note, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.